Hi, this is Karthik. Welcome you all for this session. In this session, I am going to teach you how to use page borders in Microsoft Word. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to use page borders in Microsoft Word. I am going to teach you how to use page borders using a simple example. Set a page border as follows. Setting box, style single solid line, color red and width 6 point. In order to complete the task, we need to open Microsoft Word. How to open Microsoft Word? It's quite simple. Go to search and type Word where you can find the Word icon. Just click the Word icon in order to open it. When you click the Word icon, it will take you to the backstage view. Click the option Blank Document. When you click the option Blank Document, it will take you to the workspace where you can find plenty of tabs and toolbars. Go to Design tab and go to the option Page Border. Click the option Page Border. When you click the option Page Border, it will take you to Borders and Shading pop-up window. In Setting, select the option Box. In Style, we have plenty of line styles. Among the styles, I'm going to use Single Solid Line. Go to the Color option and select the color red. Go to the option Width and select 6 points. Click OK in order to apply the border to the document. Now we created the page border. Whenever you create a new page, the page border appears automatically. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. See you all in the next video.